In order to work on your intro to business work, what you're going to need to do is get into your intro to business Google Classroom, scroll down to either your daily agendas week 1 or daily agendas week 2. Either one of those, click on that. Then once you click on that, you see kind of this blurred out tiny bulletin board. We're going to click on that to open it up bigger. The agenda was on this big bulletin board. And we want to look at this kind of light green post-it note. It says log in to Econ Lowdown. I'm going to click here to bring up the website below and then click on that website. So it brings up the website in a new tab, and so I don't have to go through all those steps. What I can do is a couple of different things. I can either right click, and so on your Chromebook to right click, you're going to touch your mouse pad with 2 fingers. I'm going to right click and I can pin that tab and see how it makes it like kind of brought it over here and made it smaller. That way it's always at the top. Sometimes when we pin a tab, it unpins itself and goes away. So the other thing you can do is to click the star and bookmark the tab, and then it brings it up here. See, I have all these different things bookmarked up here so I don't lose them. You can bookmark it so that way you don't have to keep going through all those steps. But that brings you to the economic lowdown. So what it should look like when you get there is something like this. So it's going to look like this. Now, mine says instructor login, yours would be the student login, and then you're going to log in with your Google account. So if you log in with your Google account, you won't need a student code or a password. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in with my instructor login, and so yours isn't going to look like this. When you log in with your student code, what yours will look like is this. It will have all of these different activities. And you don't need to go back and worry about those agendas. What we want you to do is we just want you to start with the top activity, give L credit, and work on that one. Ignore the dates. Once you're done with give L credit, go ahead and go down to credit bureaus. Work on that one. Once you're done with that one, work on fees, and more fees, and then so on. Then work on credit cred, and then just keep working your way down the list. It goes down to continuing education. What's nice about some of these, I'm going to click on give L credit. Most of them are like multiple choice. There's no short answer where you're typing things in, but what's nice about some of these is they're really user friendly and like it reads it to you.
Give L credit. In today's lesson, Ellen learns about credit and why.
So it's pretty user friendly. It'll read it to you. You'll do on a lot of them a pre-test. You'll do like a little lesson and then a post-test. There have been a few like kind of computer glitches as students have worked through it to where they just needed to refresh their screen or log out and log back in and then just start where they left off. But as you work through it, if you have any questions, just send either me or Mrs. Pendleton an email and let us know, and we will help you out as you go.